Does it really matter if they have a small prison or a big prison? I'm gonna use you, I'm gonna take away your milk, your eggs, and if I don't need you, or if I wanna eat you, I'm gonna kill you. Holding a gun on your head, do you want him to probably not shoot? How do you feel about humans exploiting other animals?
Yes, it's a very hard topic. I think it's
And how do you feel when you see this?
like it's a horrible thing.
Yeah. So do you agree we should respect animals?
Yes, of course.
Yeah. But is it possible to respect animals if you still exploit them for their milk, for their flesh, for their eggs?
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes, it's kind of true. I think.
That I was explaining, I was showing this. And I want to explain the contradiction that people say animals should be respected, but they still pay for milk, meat, eggs, cheese, where animals are disrespected and killed. You see the contradiction.
Yeah,
Understand.
Okay.
but it's hard to choice. I mean, I know what you mean
Yeah.
about the how bad the animals feel, and in my opinion, they must have the better place to live, not in the lockers or uh, prisons like you're showing in the TV.
Yeah, but that does it really matter if they have a small prison or a big prison, or should they be free from us? Is it okay that humans say you are my property? I'm gonna use you. I'm gonna take away your milk, your eggs, and if I don't need you, or if I want to eat you, I'm gonna kill you. Is that ever respect? This mentality?
Yes, right.
Yeah, it's contradicting.
Yeah.
So, do you know the definition of veganism?
Yes, I try to not eat meal.
Yeah.
I eat it only when I must, like in a Christmas with my family.
Mhm.
Once in our year, I try to not. But I think that can be hard to some.
Okay. Okay, first of all, veganism is not a diet. Veganism means that humans should live without exploiting animals. Exploiting, you know what it means?
No, wykorzystywać.
Without using them, like for milk, meat, and eggs, but also not for leather, fur, not for clothing, not for entertainment, like zoos and circuses. You know what all that means?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like vegans say to all this, no, we shouldn't make them our prisoners, our slaves. We should let them free. Leave them alone. You agree?
Yes.
So you say it's hard, it's difficult, but would you accept any excuse if you were the victim?
Probably no.
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 So why should it be an excuse for them?
Um,
You think if all the world will leave the animals for
Yeah.
food and everything,
Yeah.
you think they will survive in this world?
I mean, there are some animals, especially those animals, they will probably not survive, but they will not be on this planet. They will not be bred
Yeah.
from the human into this world only to be enslaved, right? And that is the thing, the mentality that needs to change. That humans just put them onto this planet to take them away from them, what they want. And what vegans say is that they are for themselves. What happens there is most of the time up to them, but we shouldn't interfere. We shouldn't like see a use in them and take it away from them, right? And that is basically for you too pretty easy to adopt. You can be vegan, right? If you want to. Yeah. So considering that, do you know the number one benefit of being vegan?
no.
No. So first of all, for the animals, you would no longer be the reason they are exploited and killed, right? And the second benefit is if you say they deserve respect, you would no longer be a hypocrite, right?
Right.
Aren't these two good reasons to make a change?
I think yeah.
Yeah. So if you were in their position, in this situation of the animal, how fast would you want to be free?
Really fast.
So considering all that, you got a smartphone, right?
Yeah.
If you want to find a vegan restaurant here, it takes you 2 seconds. If you want to cook something tomorrow, it takes you 2 seconds. Find it, right? considering you know why to be vegan, you don't want to be an animal exploiting hypocrite, and considering how fast, how urgent it is for the animal, how many animals from now on have to be exploited and killed in your name? Should it be 0 or more? 0?
Can you repeat
How,
because
how,
this music is
how many animals from now on should be exploited and killed in your name? 0 or more? She said 0, yes. You know, the only way to get to the 0 is to be vegan now. You gonna do it?
I will try my best to be common. I will to change my
Okay.
life to be in the future the 100 vegan.
Okay, but one last point. You said probably. If someone was hold you in a cage, holding a gun on your head, do you want him to probably not shoot or to decide and let you be free?
No, I want to be free.
See?
Yeah.
So probably is not enough. You want your victimizer to take affirmative and immediate action. You gonna do that?
Yes.
Handshake on that. You too?
Me too.
Yes.
Yes.
So last point, I want to give you a card. This is a documentary. There is a documentary inside. One last question I have to you. Do you believe animals deserve to be defended?
What means defended?
Obronić.
Protected.
Bronione.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
How could you defend them?
To be vegan and talking about animals' problems.
Yes.
How the big films companies what they doing with them.
Yeah. That is the least we can do because humans brought them into this situation. Now it's our responsibility to get them out. In the best way, like you said, don't only be vegan, speak about it.
Yeah, educate other people.
Yeah. You gonna do it?
Yes.
What's your name?
Adrian.
Oliver?
Emilia.
Thanks. Nice to meeting you. You can join us now if you like. Otherwise, I would encourage you to watch these resources and join us anywhere where it's possible, or just share the videos and find a way to speak up for them. Okay?
We will talk. We will talk with our group.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can start there, right? To show them the videos, speak about it, right?
Okay.
Okay. Then have a nice vegan life. Bye.